Hey everyone, this is question number 31 from chapter 5. So this problem says that two objects attract each other gravitationally with a force of 2.5 times 10 to the minus 10 newtons when they are 0.25 meters apart. Their total mass is 4 kilograms. Find their individual masses. So we need to start by defining the masses. So we can say that M1 equals M, and then we can define that since we're given a total value, we can say that M2 equals 4 kilograms minus M. And that's just from the fact that M1 plus M2 equals 4. And we defined M1 as just little m, so subtracted over M2 equals 4 minus M2. 4 minus M1, excuse me. Okay. So we can also assume that these are point masses because we have an equation for that. So gravitational force is equal to the gravity constant, M1, M2 over R squared. And that's just, that's an equation that we have for the gravitational force between two point masses with a radius of R separating them. Okay, so now we replace M1 and M2 with the values we have. So G, we're going to have M times 4 kilograms minus M over R squared. So now we multiply M to the 4 and the M squared, and we end up with the gravitational constant, 6.67 times 10 to the minus 11 Newton meters squared per kilogram times 4m minus m squared over r squared, 0.25 meters squared, and that is equal to 2.5 times 10 to the minus 10 newtons. That's given in the equation. Okay, so now we can rearrange this and get a quadratic equation. Okay, so we divide we multiply m over to, we multiply the denominator over to the other side, and divide by 6.67, and then we just add it back over. Okay, so the equation that you end up getting, I'm not going to go through the algebra of it, but you end up getting m squared minus 4m plus 0.234 equals 0. Okay, so let's rewrite that. M squared minus 4m plus 0.234 equals 0. We do the quadratic equation. Negative b minus 4, so 4 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a is 1, c 0.234 over 2a, which is just 2 times 1 over 2. And from this plus or minus, you get two values, which are our masses. So M1 equals 3.94 kilograms, and M2 equals 0.06 kilograms. And of course, you can check by adding these, and they will add up to 4.